In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho Books password following the full 2025 guide. If you're looking to update your password to enhance security or it's just time for a change, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through each step so you can easily change your password. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Accounts page. This is your starting point for managing any security settings for all your Zoho applications, including Zoho Books. Open your web browser and enter the URL for Zoho Accounts, which will redirect you to the login page if you're not already signed in. Once there, log in using your current credentials. This step is crucial because it ensures you're accessing the correct account and have the permission to change sensitive information like your password. Once you're logged into Zoho Accounts, direct your attention to the security section. You can usually find this on the main page, but if not, look for it in the menu options. Click where it says password. As you can guess, this menu is dedicated to all things related to your account security, so it's beneficial to familiarize yourself with the available settings. The next step is to locate and click the Change Password option. This prompt should appear under a section that handles password updates and resets. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you'll proceed with changing your password. Remember, changing your password periodically is a good practice for maintaining security for your online accounts. So make sure to take this opportunity to choose a password that is strong and unique. Now, you'll be required to enter your current password. Zoho does this to verify that it's really you making the change and not someone unauthorized. Go ahead and carefully type in your current password. It's a simple yet very important layer of security in this process. If you don't remember your current password, you might need to use the forgot password option to reset it before proceeding with the change. After you've entered your current password, it's time to type in your new password. Choose a password that is both secure and memorable. A good tip is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure it's something complex enough to deter unauthorized access, yet simple enough for you to remember. This will ensure that your account remains safe and you don't have trouble accessing it in the future. Finally, verify your new password by typing it again into the designated field. This step helps to prevent any typos or mistakes in your new password entry. Once you've confirmed that both entries match, you can proceed to save the changes. And there you have it. Your Zoho Books password is now updated. You've successfully improved the security of your account. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more tutorials like this.